Hey everyone, I'm Alice, and today I'm in the kitchen in partnership with Good Cook. It's the holiday season and I love entertaining with friends and family. I'm a firm believer that every holiday gathering needs to have a fabulous cake. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-layer gingerbread cake with cream cheese frosting. So first we start with the dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. To that I'm going to add in all of our spices. So we're going to start with some powdered ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, nutmeg, and we have some cardamom. We're also going to add in some baking powder, baking soda, and some kosher salt. Now we simply just whisk together all of our dry ingredients, and then we're going to set this aside. And now we're going to work on the wet ingredients. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. I'm going to just cube these up, and then I'm going to put these into my stand mixer. And now we're going to add in our sugars. I have some white granulated sugar, and I'm also going to add in some brown sugar. And now we cream this together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our sugar and butter is nicely creamed together, and now we're going to add in our eggs one at a time. And now we're going to add in our molasses, and we are also adding in pure vanilla extract. And now we're going to add in our dry ingredients and some milk, and we're going to alternate. We're going to put in about 1/3 of the flour mixture. We're going to add half of the milk, and now we're going to repeat that same process. Make sure you start and end with your dry ingredients. Today I'm using these round cake pans made by Good Cook. These are a part of their brand new best ever bakeware line. I love how sturdy they are. They're made with aluminized steel, and they also have this fabulous textured surface. This promotes even airflow, and it helps you to release your baked goods easier. I'm just gonna spray these a little bit with some non-stick baking spray, and now we're going to evenly pour in our cake batter between the 2 cake pans. So now these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now we're gonna get started on the cream cheese frosting. So easy to make. All you need is cream cheese, unsalted butter, also at room temperature, and then we have some powdered sugar. And then once it gets going, we're gonna add in our vanilla. All right, you guys, that is it. Homemade cream cheese frosting is that easy to make, and now we're gonna get ready to decorate. It's the holiday season, so we're gonna get a little festive. We're gonna start with our cream cheese frosting, and we're gonna cover the top of this first layer. Now we are going to carefully lift the other cake layer, and we're gonna place it right on top and put cream cheese frosting over the top. And now we're gonna have a little bit of fun with the decoration. We are using fresh rosemary sprigs. We're gonna place these into our cake so they look like little trees. And now I'm just gonna add some of the sugared cranberries right on top, and we're gonna lightly dust the rosemary trees with the powdered sugar. And there we have it. This is our gingerbread cake with cream cheese frosting. This is the perfect cake to make over the holidays when you're entertaining. For this recipe and more entertaining recipes, visit hipfoodiemom.com.